Hey, what is this? The video is about to start.
Hey, my brother, will they start?
Yes, my brother, let's start. What are we going to cook today?
Today we are cooking roasted fish.
Roasted fish? Roasted fish and what?
Plantain.
Okay guys, we are going to be cooking roasted fish and plantain. Let's get into this video now. Alright guys, right now I'm spicing up the fish. So what is in the spice is ginger, onion, some peppers and celery. So we're just gonna spice this up real good and get it ready to put in the oven. Alright guys, now we're going to put this in the oven and check on it periodically. Alright guys, now you're just going to want to peel the plantains. When you peel them, cut them into little pieces. Don't cut them too thick and don't cut them too thin. Just cut them to the right amount and put them in the fryer. So my fish has been in the oven for about 15 minutes now. I've been checking it periodically and adding spice to it. You're going to want to keep adding spice so it can be moist and it cannot dry out. So for the plantain, just put it on the fryer. Make sure the oil covers the plantain so it can cook evenly and slowly stir it so the plantain doesn't stick together. So I'm going to come back to the fish. When the fish is good at the bottom, you're going to want to flip it so the top side can be cooked as well. When you're cooking this, you're going to want to be very careful when you flip this, because if you flip it too rough, it might break apart and it'll just be a mess. So please be careful with your fish. As you can see, some of my fish broke apart, but that's fine. When your fish is done, you're going to want to dish it and mix it with the plantain. Don't mix it, just put the plantain off to the side and just make the dish look good like this. There you go guys, that's how you make your traditional Cameroonian fish and plantain. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like and subscribe so every time I upload you can get a notification for my videos. See you guys next time. On my next video, I'm going to show you guys how to be making fufu and jama jama, so stay tuned.